Before we start, grab a paper and pencil. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. The school is holding a fundraiser, and each student is asked to sell 5 tickets. If there are 6 students in the class, how many tickets will they sell in total? A. 30, B. 45, C. 35, D. 20. Number 2. Sally's baking cupcakes for a party. She has 4 cupcake trays, and each tray can hold 9 cupcakes. How many cupcakes can Sally bake in total? A. 18, B. 57, C. 36, D. 46. Number 3. James is reading 3 books a week. How many books will James read in 8 weeks? A. 20, B. 24, C. 26, D. 28. Number 4. At the grocery store, each pack of strawberries costs $3. If Maria buys 5 packs, how much will she spend in total? A. $15, B. $18, C. $12, D. $14. Number 5. Tom is setting up chairs for an event. There are 9 rows, and each row has 10 chairs. How many chairs does Tom need in total? A. 40, B. 60, C. 90, D. 20. Number 6. Lucy saves $5 each day. How much money will she have saved after 8 days? A. $35, B. $40, C. $55, D. $60. Number 7. A soccer team has 3 players. Each player runs 7 laps during practice. How many laps does the whole team run in total? A. 33, B. 21, C. 24, D. 32. Number 8. Sarah collects 7 stickers every day. If she collects stickers for 10 days, how many stickers will she have at the end? A. 80, B. 100, C. 70, D. 35. Number 9. On Farmer Joe's farm, there are 7 chicken coops. Each chicken coop has 6 chickens. How many chickens are there in total? A. 13, B. 42, C. 48, D. 14. Number 10. Emma is having an ice cream party. She buys 8 boxes of ice cream, and each box has 4 different flavors of ice cream. How many flavors of ice cream does she have in total? A. 32, B. 12, C. 24, D. 30. Number 11. At Tom's birthday party, he wants to hang balloons. There are 5 walls, and on each wall there are 9 balloons. How many balloons are there altogether? A. 40, B. 45, C. 50, D. 55. Number 12. Lily bought 3 toy train sets for her friends. Each train set has 6 cars. How many toy cars are there in total? A. 9, B. 12, C. 18, D. 24. Number 13. Jack is hosting a movie marathon with 4 friends. They are each bringing 5 bags of popcorn. How many bags of popcorn are there in total? A. 20, B. 15, C. 25, D. 18. Number 14. During a school book sale, there are 6 tables. Each table has 8 books. How many books are there in total? A. 38, B. 48, C. 50, D. 58. Number 15. Sarah is planting flowers in her garden. She plants 6 rows of flowers. In each row, there are 9 flowers. How many flowers did Sarah plant in total? A. 56, B. 54, C. 72, D. 77. Number 16. Emily is selling ice cream cones. She sells 3 cones every hour. How many cones does she sell in 6 hours? A. 16, B. 18, C. 20, D. 21. Number 17. In a fish tank, there are 9 fish. Each fish has 3 fins. How many fins are there in total? A. 24, B. 27, C. 30, D. 33. Number 18. A teacher has 7 boxes of pencils. Each box contains 6 pencils. How many pencils are there in total? A. 42, B. 48, C. 50, D 56.